Woo! Open your window.
Mark, open the door for me.
Okay. With my sister.
What? Excuse me. What
Are you
happened to my
FaceTiming?
picture? Hello.
Yeah, you are.
No.
Oh, video.
Mark, are you taking? Wait, Mark is taking a picture.
No, he's not.
Mark, I thought you were taking our picture.
Like, get out of here.
Whoa.
Oh, Mark.
To the canoe. Look, Papoose.
Did you do 512?
Yeah.
Here, I'll hold it for him.
No, you don't want. Oh, I'm sorry if you know.
Oh.